What is up, guys? It's Eric here today, and I can't be too loud because I was watching a movie in there, and I don't think y'all should be here. I shut the door, but today we are doing a DIY making slime, and you don't have to use like borax, like laundry detergent or something like that. It's just simple things you should or maybe have at your house. So I tried it just to see if it works. I watched some YouTube videos on how to do it, but well, right now, I have some in the so it's very like, it's not actually like very slimy because I left it in there for a while. Not supposed to, but yeah, it's gonna look something like on the lines of this, but a little softer. But the only things you need is going to be shaving cream, but you can use cream. I have actually gel, but it works both ways. Elmer's glue and toothpaste. Now let's put this stuff on the side. I don't know if I was too close, but yeah. So let's see what we have right here, and let's start making this stuff. Okay, so yeah, as you see, we still have some of the stuff from what I did, but it won't bother. And also, you're gonna need a knife just to mix it around, which wouldn't be messy with your hands. But what you're gonna do is first, let me set that there. Get some glue. Oh, well, I should probably get a new knife, just so that I don't get all this stuff. Got a new knife. Okay. I don't have too much toothpaste. I think we're running out, so I don't know if I'm gonna, for right now, I'm just gonna use this much. See, that's all toothpaste. Now next, just taking the lid off. Putting about a good amount. So I'm trying to make it a little bigger than what I did. So it looks like that. Now, just mix it up for a good old, until it's looking better. So yeah, I'm gonna get this done. So do it for about a good old 6 to 7, maybe even longer if it's not.
Okay, so I'm doing a little bit more just to make sure.
So if it'll be good if it just looks around that, just smoothed all together. Now, just gonna, not too much, but I'll show you how much. Oh, it's got all that shaving. So it'll come. I think we're almost done. Yeah, we're almost out. So let's just find out. That should maybe do good. Let's keep going. This one, and whenever you put it in, it's hard. It takes a while. So just do this for a good bit until it looks good, all mixed together, or it's not all foamy. Okay, now make sure it looks just like that. Should look like that. And then we're gonna put it in there for 30 minutes in the freezer. So put it in there for 30 minutes. So, got this. We're about to put it in my freezer. So boom. So just 30 minutes, look on your phone or whatever, and just, yeah, wait for 30 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so, y'all are probably wondering now, in 30 minutes, it's done. Probably doesn't look very done, but it's done. So let's get this thing out. Let's see how to do this. Oh, shut the fridge up. Okay. Look, it's slime. Oh, it's so fun to mess with actually. You could rip it, but. So remember, 30 minutes, leave it in the refrigerator. 30 minutes. So fun to mess. Look at it. Okay, got it all over my tripod. Yeah, I pulled it in. I hit my tripod. Perfect, huh? Yeah, now it's all getting everywhere. But as long as you know you're gonna get your hands messy, it's fun to play with.
Softer, or it's been out for 30 minutes. Or actually longer, like 40 minutes. It's been out.
I like this one better though. And you could use some food coloring if you had some. Don't think we have any, so yeah. Let me get my hands cleaned and everything. Well, yep. So what it looks like. I almost dropped my camera on the tripod, but that's all of it together. But it's actually pretty fun to mess with. So anyways, if y'all did enjoy today's DIY, I'm gonna try to make some more DIY, like anything else, maybe some edible slime. Be looking forward to that. Going to try to do that. And if y'all know what this is, we played that today and I'm gonna make a video soon. It's the pie face. But yeah. So like this video, smash that like button, and if this is the first time you've seen my face, subscribe and comment any video ideas, anything to react to, and yeah, I don't know what else to say, but hope you had a great day, and as always, stay positive. Peace.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.